Hello everyone, welcome to session number 7 on your UPSC EPFO journey. Through these short lectures, maybe of 5 to 10 minutes, we are targeting as many topics as possible. In this lecture, we would be covering few questions on coding decoding. चलिए start करते हैं. In a certain code, CONJUNCTIVAL is shuffled as NJCTALCOUNIV. How is extravaganza written in the same code? तो clearly आपको ये दिख रहा है कि this has been shuffled. तो few elements would be shuffled. जैसे NJ is right here, NJ is right here, CT is here, CT is here, AL is here, AL is here. तो क्या कोई पैटर्न दिख रहा है आपको? Yes. If you leave two elements NJ, leave two elements CT, then leave two elements, it is AL. Then you start with CO, then UN, and then IV. Done. So in the same manner, extravaganza क्या होगा? EXTRAVAGANZA. We have to leave two elements, so I'll start with TR, then AG, then ZA. TR, AG, ZA. ZA ये वाला ऑप्शन होना चाहिए. चेक कर लेते हैं. EX, AV and AN. EX, AV, AN. Option D is our correct fit. With the help of question हमें बहुत बारी आइडिया लग जाता है कि what should be the code here and what is the basic analogy. यहाँ पे analogy क्या है? These are being shuffled. चलो, let's do one more. In a certain code, mango is coded as 50. Whenever you have a word which consists of letters और उसके सामने आपके पास एक नंबर हो, please always start with the actual letter codes. जैसे from A to Z alphabetical order, this is the code of the various letters. A is at first position, so 1, B is at second, so 2, Z is at 26, so 26. ये आइडियली आपको याद कर लेना चाहिए. इफ़ आपके किसी भी रीज़न से आपने याद नहीं करा है, then it is advisable whenever you start the exam, you write this 26 letters and with their respective numbers sidewise into your rough sheet and maybe use this while you are solving. But there are some values using which you can actually relate to them. जैसे Ijoti is one of the numbers or one of the words that you can memorize. Ijoti. These are multiples of 5. E is at 5th position, J is at 10th, then 15, then 20 and 25. Also, if you write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H going up to X, Y and Z and you reverse their order. So A, B, C, and if you keep on reversing, this is X, Y and Z. You see A is always opposite to Z, B is always opposite to Y, C is always opposite to X. Can we get to this opposite letter codes in short time? Yes. कैसे? With the help of the rule of 27. The rule of 27 is specifically for opposite letters. जैसे I know A and Z are opposites. इनके codes क्या क्या हैं? 1 and 26. 1 plus 26 is 27. Similarly, अगर आप देखो maybe any letter, if I pick M, M is at 13, 27 होना चाहिए. 13 minus 27 is 14. So M and N will always be opposites. अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? I'm just writing down any value. Maybe if I write O, O I know is at 15. मुझे इसका opposite पता करना है. मैं क्या करूँगा? 27 minus 15 is 12. 12 plus 15 is 27. 12 पे क्या आता है? 12 पे L आता है. So O and L are opposites. That is how you can actually take help. Now, ये क्यों important है? For these type of problems. Whenever we have this और इसके सामने एक number है, try to write the elements into their actual ranks. जैसे m is at 13, a is at first, n is at 14, g is at 7, o is at 15. Now, what operation can be done here to get to 50? क्या मैं इन नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करके 50 पे जा सकता हूँ? आई डोंट थिंक सो, बहुत बड़ा नंबर हो जाएगा. क्या मैं इनको ऐड करके जा सकता हूँ? यस, लेट्स सी. So 13 and 1 is 14, 14 and 14 is 28, 28 and 7 is 35, 35 and 15 is 50. Bingo. Now we know that the logic is actually sum of their codes, number codes. Let's check for date. DATE. D is at 4, A is at 1, T is at 20, E is at 5. If I add all of them, तो इनका sum क्या आ रहा है? 4 plus 1 is 5, 25 and 5, which is 30. That is our code. Now, what if the question is for orange? ORANGE. We have 15, 18, 1, 14, 7 and 5. Let's add all of them. So here we have 21, 1 is 22 and 18 is 40, 45 and 15 is 60. The sum here is 60. All right. अगर ये चीज़ें आपको क्लियर है, दिस इज मोर और लेस अबाउट कोडिंग डिकोडिंग. कोडिंग डिकोडिंग इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर रीजनिंग फॉर बी इट CSAT और योर EPFO एग्जामिनेशन, बिकॉज ये डेफिनेटली ये क्वेश्चंस आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. यू विल हैव 1 or 2 क्वेश्चंस ऑन कोडिंग डिकोडिंग. दैट इज अ श्योरिटी. रहता ही रहता है एवरी ईयर. इफ यू एनालाइज द पैटर्न, you will definitely have problems on coding decoding. These are on the easier end to cater, but you need a good efficiency in this. अगर आपको ये चीज़ें समझ में आ रही है, please type in the answers for EPFO. क्या होना चाहिए according to the same code, then maybe CSAT, and then do it for UPSC. Expecting your answers in the comment box. All right, happy learning everyone. Take care, bye bye. We'll have more and more of these sessions.